You are about to discover 3 free tools you can use to swap your face into any picture of your choice. And the good part is, these tools are completely free to use. Let's head over to the tools.
So with this AI tool, you can swap your face into any picture of your choice. All you need to do is to come to rainmaker.ai and select the face swap tool. You upload the original image you want to change the face. Then you upload another image that you want to use to swap the face of the original image. You now swap. At the end, you are going to get the result here. This is the result. Then you can now download. You can see that the face has been swapped. So this is a free AI swapping tool that you can use to swap your face into any picture of your choice. Also, some other face swapping tools include AIFaceSwap.io. You can use it to swap your face into any other picture of your choice. Also, you will have MagicHour.ai. You can use it to swap your face into any picture of your choice too. All you need to do is upload your face, the face you want to use, then upload the image you want to swap your face into, and you swap it. So these are some free AI face swapping tools that you can use to swap your faces into another picture or image.
If you have any video you want me to create or any question, drop it in the comments. Also, check the link in the description to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group, where you can connect with me and meet other creators to learn and grow together. I also have some free gifts, tools and courses. Check the description to get access to them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in our next video.